PS25 is a highly capable, solid-state capacitor discharge stud welding system that is designed to handle studs up to 1/4 inch in diameter. The system consists of the power control unit, ground cables, and stud welding gun. In addition to the system, the PS25 comes with 4 chucks and 200 steel studs, providing you with everything necessary to begin welding as soon as you open the box. With the 205-piece accessories kit, the PS25 is the best value of any capacitor discharge stud welder found in the United States.